Yo, what's up? It's day 9, working on the WRX. Getting ready to go to Neil's right now. We got the clutch together last night. So today's supposed to be buttoning it up, getting it down off the jack stands, and driving it out of the garage on its own will. And we gotta finish the brakes another day, which is gonna be really soon, sometime within the next couple days, hopefully. Let's start the journey. Mini update. It looks like we got the intercooler on. Again, we got the clutch working last night, so that's good. I'm getting the radiator hoses on right now. I'm going to get clamps so we can redo those because they're all gross. From there, Neil's hooking up the exhaust right now. We got to do the motor mounts, and I think we're pretty damn close after that. He's putting the O2 sensor in with the exhaust. I'm pretty sure after that everything's connected, and then we're running it. Put coolant, and it's gonna run for a while. And we get to drive it back and forth across the street. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, we'll get the clamps, and we'll get you back in Neil's again. Hose. Getting hose clamps. Hose clamps acquired.
Alright, give it a shot.
We might have an issue with the idle air control valve or something with the intake system because it's not idling itself out. It's been running for a few minutes now. See, we're up to temperature.
That's more like it.
That started right up.
That's how she's supposed to be.
Oh, check engine light shut off.
What's that?
The check engine light shut off.
I shut it off.
Oh.
But usually it came right back on.
Yeah.
This is how she's supposed to run. Nice.
Yeah, I think that kicks in around like 3,000 usually.
Kicked in.
This thing sounds fucking awesome.
Doesn't it? I'm psyched to start my car. That exhaust thing doesn't even sound that bad no more.
No, it doesn't.
Fucking sweet.
Painted, refreshed, running.
They stay on for about 15 seconds. Shut off. That's how it keeps this car cool. Now looking at it, we definitely got to change that to paint. I want to get my car. My car's like most of the colors.